Hello dear students, open page number 44 from your workbook. Today we'll complete another worksheets. So let's start with the worksheet 38, that is on page number 44. On that page, exercise A we will not do, so cut that exercise. Exercise B we will do. Okay. Now see, match the words below with words from the box to make the correct collocations, means a group of words. One has been done for you. Some of the options are also given over there, all the options, so you can took the option and you will fill in the blank. Number one is do someone a dash, do someone a favor. What does it mean? Do something for someone as an act of kindness, so for that we can say do someone a favor. Next, make a dash. So here the word will be make a mess. That means create a dirty or untidy state. Next, third one, take a dash shower. So here the appropriate word is quick. Quick. Take a quick shower. Right. Next is number 4, plain dash off. So the word should come here took. TOOK, took. Plain took off. Next is dash into tears. So the appropriate word will be burst into tears. BURST, burst. That means weeping suddenly. Okay. So the statement is burst into tears. Next one, dash dressed. The word will be richly dressed. That means wearing expensive clothes. So richly dressed. Next, filled with dash. So the appropriate word will be horror. HORROR. Filled with horror. That means a strong feeling of fear. Next, get dash. Word should come here going. Get going. That means leave a place in order to go somewhere else. So for that we can say get going. Next is paid a dash. The word will be paid a compliment. COMPLIMENT. That means the expression of appreciation. Paid a compliment. Last is jump to a dash. The word left over here is conclusion. Jump to a conclusion. CONCLUSION. That means to reach on a conclusion. Okay. So now next page number 45, exercise worksheet number 39. Exercise A, again you will not do exercise A, so cut that exercise. Exercise B we will do. Now see what is inside that exercise B. Choose suitable words from the box relating to travel or journeys. Means there are the words related to travel and journey only to complete each sentence. So we will use these words to complete the sentences. One has been done for you. Number 1 is the boys were dash in the mountains. The boys were going trekking on the mountain. Next is the dash will be approximately 4 hours. So the travel time will be approximately 4 hours. Third one, have you got the tickets for the train? Okay, have you got the dash for the train? For the train, we need to purchase tickets. So the word should come here ticket, TICKETS. Next, please make sure that we don't carry too much dash. We don't carry too much luggage. LUGGAGE. Next is dash are requested to fasten their seat belts. So who are requested to fasten their seat belts? Obviously passengers. PASSENGERS. Next is we will each have a dash and a bedroll. The word should come here knapsack. What is the meaning of knapsack? A bag with shoulder straps carried on the back. Okay, a type of bag. So we will each have a knapsack and a bedroll. KNAPSACK. Here K is silent, so we'll call it knapsack. Next, we must prepare a timetable for our trip called an itinerary. What is the meaning of itinerary? A planned route or journey. A planned route or journey. that is itinerary. So we must prepare a timetable for our trip called an itinerary. Spelling is Itinerary. Next, Mr. Sloan wrote a dash about his journey to Europe. Mr. Sloan wrote a travelogue. Travelogue. What is the meaning of travelogue? Travelogue, it is like a film, we can say a book or a lecture about the places visited by traveler. So here the word wrote they have used. Mrs. Sloan wrote. So obviously they are talking about a book. Okay, a book about the places visited by traveler. So Mr. Sloan wrote a travelogue about his journey to Europe. Next, I will grow up and make a dash to go to Mars. Make a spacecraft. I think there is no need to explain the meaning of a spacecraft just because you have read that chapter Kalpana Chawla. So you know the meaning. Next, the dash was taking them to the Mediterranean Sea. So the cruise was taking them to the Mediterranean Sea. Cruise. Okay, now this is also completed. You will turn the page, worksheet number 40. So here in that worksheet, exercise B we will not do. So cut that exercise. Exercise A we will do. Match the words that denote large numbers of things, creatures, that means collective noun, that came in your examination also, right? In column A with the groups in column B. Now see, a swarm of bees, Bees. You can write just after that. Okay, instead of writing numbers, you can write directly answer. A swarm of bees. A school of fish. For fish, we use a school. So write down fish. A fleet of ships. SHIPS. A congress of monkeys. MONKEYS. A bunch of keys. For keys, we will use bunch. KEYS. A flight of sparrows. For sparrows, we will use the word flight. SPARROWS. A bouquet of roses. A medley of songs. Group of songs are known as medley. An album of photographs. PHOTOGRAPHS. And the last one, a herd of buffaloes. Okay, now here we completed three worksheets. Read it properly, write it properly, and then learn it also. Okay, thank you.